Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Chris Cooper, known as the Channel Guy Trader, and I'm reporting to you live from Wall Street Trading Satellite Office down in sunny South Florida. Today's date is Thursday, September the 6th, 2012, and here's today's midday market update. Well, guys, the markets are up across the board. We are having a great day in the chat room. We'll take a look at a couple of plays that we called out in the chat room. Taking a look at the market here, though, the Dow Jones is up 235, the comp is up 61, the SPX is up 26, the Russell is up 16.5. Taking a look at the commodity complex here, SLV up 34 cents, USO up 48.5 cents, GOD up 89 cents, and everything's looking pretty good, guys, out there. Just to give you guys a heads up real quick, wallstreettrading.com is a website to access our videos. Go click on the right tab on the upper right hand side, My Wall Street TV, and you'll have access to all our videos and our introduction video. You want to check it out, guys. It's great stuff. We're having some great calls outs in the chat room, and you want to make sure you're a part of that. To be a part of that, fill out the form right here on the right hand side of the page. Get your information in there, and we'll have an email go out to you that gives you access to the chat room. Or, of course, obviously, you could go to mywallstreettv.com, type in the password SMART, and you'll get access to the chat room right there. In any case, let's go ahead and take a look at the markets here. I want to start off with the ES first. The ES is up 25 points today from the opening price. We opened up at 14.11. We're currently trading at, say, call it 14.29. So we're up about 18 points off the opening price. We nailed this to the T today, guys. We had the news come out from the ECB this morning. Like I was telling everybody that was talking to me yesterday about, oh, what about the ECB? ECB, I said, look, I'm going to wait for the reaction, and we're going to react off the reaction, all right? So what's the pattern here? The pattern that you guys see is a nice little upward channel, all right? Like I've highlighted to people in my chat room numerous times and people that watch my videos, whenever you have an upward sloping channel like this, and we break the top part of the upper band right here, we usually get a nice little short squeeze for the fact that usually happens around a key horizontal price level like the 1413, hence we're right there. We're consolidating below it. At the same time, people usually have their stops above those key levels and then above that key trend line. So once we broke the upper trend line, that just initiated a nice little short squeeze. People had to dump their shorts and get long the market. Like I highlighted in the blog yesterday, if we can get a nice intraday hold above 1412 or we're going into the market here, we're going to get some nice buying pressure. That's exactly what we got. And right now you can see the ES is making new highs. And we nailed it today, guys. We had the TNA long. We bought the TNA weekly calls for the 60 strikes at 90 cents. I sold mine at $1.45. There's still some traders that are still long it. They're selling for $2 plus right now. So over 100% return in that. We had my partner, Neil, in the chat room, another moderator in the chat room, Neil. He called out the TNGO trade to the short side. So a lot of stuff going on. LinkedIn continuation. I mean, if you're not making money today, guys, then you're not trading around the right traders, or you need somebody to help you trade or to give you more guidance. You want to make sure you come to mywallstreettrading.com and check us out, mywallstreettv.com. Password to log in is SMART. In any case here, let's take a look at a couple of charts. All right, let's see here. I started off, we also had on watch a NAV and PAY this morning, and those stocks were in play. I'll go ahead and start off with the TNA since that's a trade that I talked about in regards to the IWM. And the reason why that trade came about was because yesterday I told you guys the IWM has a lot of free room to move up here if we get above that little free space area. And, I'll go over this in more detail in the after the bell market summary. But just to show you guys here, all right, we talked about there is no congestion to the left inside this little zone, so a break above today's highs and above this trick would definitely cause a nice catalyst move up here, and that's exactly what we got, guys. We nailed it, and we want you to nail it with us, so get your behind in the chat room and join us in the profits. In any case, TNA, another trade that we called out today was TNGO, had some news out. Not sure what the news was, but my co-moderator that moderates with me in the chat room, he called it out for a short around 16. He got it for a point. You never know how low or how high the stock's going to go, so you're never going to catch it all. But as long as you get, a price, as long as you get to your target that you're looking for and you get out, well, that's a trade. All right, and we caught that for a point. Some traders were able to catch it for more, some traders were able to catch it for the extended move to the downside, and some traders were able to trade off this little bounce right here off the lows that they made at 11 o'clock. So in other words, there's a lot of stuff going on, guys. I'm not going to rant in this whole video because I mean the market's just going up, and unless you're long something from the morning, it really doesn't make sense to buy anything up here, obviously. And at the same time, it really doesn't make sense to short because now the buyers are really putting their pedal to the metal and buying the stocks. Because I mean we've been trading in a choppy range for about 2.5 weeks between that 13.95 and that 14.10, 14.12, and 14.16 area, and now we finally have the buyers stepping up saying, hey, the ball's in our court, we're going to buy the stocks. People need to make money because we haven't been making money. Let's put money to work. So hopefully you guys are having a great day. Amazon is strong. Punch up AMZN. Amazon having a nice strong day. IBM finally showing some nice action here. Stock is looking pretty good. This stock has been a laggard, so what I want to see tomorrow is some continuation in IBM, as this stock has been lagging the other high-tech big cap stocks like the Googles, the Amazons, the Apples. So I want to see IBM get into gear there, and that's looking pretty good today. And there's just a lot of stuff going on today, guys. So I'm not going to rant in this midday update here. So I hope you guys are having a great trading day today. Make sure you come check us out in the chat room, mywallstreettv.com, password SMART. Make sure you come check out the website, wallstreettrading.com, and send me an email if you're interested in learning about how to trade with our firm. And that's about it, guys. Hope you guys are having a great day. I'll catch you guys after the bell for the after the bell market summary. Channel Guy Trader signing out. Later.